Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make ledger accounts from journal entries, only ways. Post each journal entry to its corresponding ledger account using the date, narration, and amount on the correct debit or credit side. Keep totals and running balances for accuracy, and label every column clearly so you can trace transactions back to the journal. Reconcile regularly to catch errors and maintain clean, auditable accounts. Start by locating the journal entry, then write its date, narration, and reference in the ledger heading before posting. Place the amount on the debit or credit side based on the account type, and include a small reference back to the journal page or entry number. Update the running balance after each post and verify that the sum of debits equals the sum of credits across affected ledgers to maintain accounting integrity. If this video is helping, please subscribe and like so I can make more helpful tutorials. Quick recommendation. The Kindle Paperwhite is perfect for reading accounting guides anywhere, with a glare-free screen and long battery life that makes study sessions comfy on commutes. I find it handy for marking up reference materials and practicing procedures on the go. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Keep a consistent routine. Post entries, update running balances, and check that subtotals make sense after each session. Cross-reference each ledger entry with the journal entry number to simplify audits and corrections, and use clear narrations to explain unusual items. When differences appear, trace them back through recent postings, correct transposition or placement mistakes, and document adjustments so your ledgers remain reliable and easy to review.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.